Hi, Hannah. What are you doing here?
Oh, hi Ryan. I just wanted to watch the sunset. It's so beautiful here.
Yeah, it really is. I love this place too. Do you come here often?
Not too often, but sometimes when I need to relax or think about things. How about you?
Same. I like to walk along the beach after work. It helps me forget about stress.
That's nice. Do you live near here?
Yes, I do. My house is only 10 minutes away from the beach. What about you?
I live farther away, but my friend's apartment is close by. She lets me stay there sometimes.
Lucky you. This beach is one of the best spots in town.
Definitely. Look at how calm the water looks right now. It makes me feel peaceful.
I know what you mean. Sometimes I sit here for hours just looking at the sea.
Me too. By the way, what do you do for work?
I work at a cafe downtown. It's not very exciting, but I like meeting new people.
That sounds fun. Do you make coffee all day?
Mostly yes. But I also help clean tables and serve food. It's not too hard.
I bet it gets busy during weekends, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, especially on Saturday mornings. Everyone wants their coffee before going shopping.
I can imagine. Do you enjoy working there?
Most of the time, yes. Some days are tough, though. Like when customers complain a lot.
Ugh, that must be annoying. Have you ever thought about doing something else?
Maybe someday. Right now, I'm saving money for college. What about you? Are you studying?
Yes, I study art at university. I want to be an illustrator.
Wow, that's amazing. Do you draw every day?
Almost every day. Drawing is my favorite thing to do. I even bring my sketchbook here sometimes.
Cool. Can I see your drawings sometime?
Sure. I'll show you next time we meet. Do you like art?
I don't know much about it, but I think it's cool. I wish I could draw like you.
Don't worry, everyone starts somewhere. You could try learning if you want.
Maybe I will. Do you take classes at school?
Yes, I have lessons twice a week. We learn different techniques and styles.
That sounds interesting. Is it difficult?
Sometimes it is, but I always try my best. My teacher says practice makes perfect.
He's right. You're probably really good because you practice a lot.
Thanks, Ryan. That means a lot.
No problem. Hey, did you eat dinner yet?
Not yet. I was planning to grab something later. Why?
There's a small restaurant near the pier. They sell great seafood. Want to go together?
That sounds yummy. Let me check my wallet first.
Don't worry about paying. I'll treat you tonight.
Really? Are you sure?
Of course. It's my pleasure.
Thank you so much. I'd love to go then.
Great. Let's head over now.
So, Ryan, do you have any hobbies besides coming to the beach?
Well, I play guitar in my free time. I'm not very good, but it's fun.
That's awesome. What kind of music do you play?
Mostly rock songs. I like bands like Coldplay and Imagine Dragons.
Nice. I listen to them too. Do you write your own songs?
Not yet, but I'd like to try someday. Writing lyrics seems hard, though.
It might be challenging, but I'm sure you can do it.
Thanks, Hannah. Maybe you could help me design album covers if I ever make one.
Haha, deal. I'll make it super creative.
Perfect. You'd be the best artist for the job.
Speaking of creativity, have you seen any movies recently?
Yeah, I watched a comedy last week. It was hilarious.
What was it called?
Crazy Rich Asians. Have you heard of it?
Yes, I've seen it too. I loved it. The fashion in that movie was incredible.
Totally agree. The actors were great too.
I wish I could travel to places like Singapore someday.
Me too. Maybe we should plan a trip together.
Haha, maybe. First, let's finish our studies and save some money.
True. One step at a time, right?
Exactly. Oh, look. We're almost at the restaurant.
What would you like to order?
Everything looks good. I think I'll try the grilled fish.
Good choice. I'll get the shrimp pasta.
Yum, that sounds tasty.
It always is. This place never disappoints.
I hope so. Thanks again for inviting me.
Anytime, Hannah. It's nice spending time with you.
Same here. You're easy to talk to.
Ah, thanks. So, tell me more about your art projects.
Well, lately I've been working on portraits. Capturing expressions is tricky, but rewarding.
That's impressive. Do you use pencils or paints?
Both, actually. Pencils are better for details, while paints add color and life.
Makes sense. Do you prefer one over the other?
I like using both, depending on the project. Each has its own charm.
Got it. Do you ever sell your artwork?
Not yet, but I hope to someday. For now, I give them as gifts to friends and family.
They're lucky to have such talented gifts.
Stop it, you're making me blush.
Just telling the truth.
Well, thank you. Today was really fun, Ryan. Thank you for everything.
I had a great time too, Hannah. We should hang out again soon.
Definitely. Maybe next time we can bring snacks and have a picnic here.
Sounds like a plan.
Alright, see you later, Ryan.
Bye, Hannah. Take care.